So we got Christmas and New Year behind us. Obviously not a lot could be done then because it's festive season, everyone's on holiday. But we're back in the workshop. I see there's something happened with the back end and the ape hangers are on. I love the ape hangers. The ape hangers are looking good. Robbie, talk to me about this back end. What do you want to do?
Okay, so what I think we're going to do here, chop the frame off there.
Okay.
Put a short fender.
Yes.
Single seat. I need to hide the computer under the seat.
Is that the computer there?
This is the computer, that's the ECU for the bike.
Okay.
It's a fuel injected Sportster. And then I think Clinton and myself have decided on a color scheme. We're going to go candy apple red and yellow.
Yes.
Then I need to configure something to do with the speedo. I think I'm going to toss the whole original speedo and put a small...
Is the speedo 100% necessary? Because my old Bobbert never had a speedo and it never bothered me.
I think it is, otherwise it's going to lock you up. So it's gonna
Is it going to be that fast?
a little bit faster than the other one. Seat, I'm going to build a seat. We're going to do a little pan to suit you and your riding position and your riding style. So we'll do that. I want to do a set of short exhausts. I think I'll use the standard headed pipes and then go for a short baffle so the bike's nice and loud and in your face.
Okay.
And we'll put the indicators much more forward, cut the frame off and put a side mount number plate and tail light so the back is pretty much clean.
And the back wheel, you want to put spokes there, eh?
Yeah. We're still considering that, but yes, spoke wheel in a bobber is a bobber, 100%.
I vote spoke wheels.
So no, let's just find one for you.
Thanks, Robbie. Joint effort. This is where it's happening.
Late at night by my TV light, they show me a life that had no meaning. No one to stop her crying, she's so lonely. Cable news with all the views to tell me my people out there are dying. No one to stop the fighting, and we're not sorry.